Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Aya. Today I'm going to do unboxing for my Hello Bluebird subscription box. This is September box. So I bought it in September and shipped in, it shipped in October. How to open this one? So bear in mind that they took some time, to ship the orders. So if you are impatient, don't order. Okay, let's see what I got. Okay. Ooh, okay guys. Let me see. I'll show you first there's some standalone dies. So I got this alphabets. Let me check the name. Jane small alpha die. It's really small. Then I got this 3 dies. Then I got these 2 coordinating dies for 2 stamps, I have. And finally this die called Cozy Borrow Scene die. Okay, so these are all dies. Okay, now let's see the kit. I'm really excited. So they had 3 options, one for the Halloween, the other one for a standard kit, which is I think stamp and coordinating die, if I remember correctly, and the other one has everything in a standard kit plus extra. So I got this one. Okay, so it comes with this die. This is a again, there's no name, so it's a pumpkin die. Okay, so okay, because I see this in a package and these are alone, so maybe this is the standard kit. It's sold out, unfortunately. So this one called Fall Clean Up Crew. I like it because of the fox and the squirrel. I think I don't have any stamp that has these beautiful and cute illustrations, so I fell in love. And plus I think comes with this die, the pumpkin die. So for the other kit, or the second option that you get everything, again, I'm sorry, I don't remember the names of the kits. So you got this one, and you got this die called Happy Fall. Then this cute one, this one called Apple Picking. These 2 bears and their baby. Oh, so cute. Then this cute stamp set called Apple Farm. I really like the girls, remind me of my daughter. So cute. Then this one, another large stamp set full of squirrels, and this one called Nuts for Fall. They're so cute. So I'm going to play with them now. Yes, I will not put them aside. I'm going to play with them now, then I'm going to share with you what I have made. So see you in 3 days, maybe? Okay, in 3 days.
One eternity later.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to show you the cards that I created using the new Hello Bluebird September box. Unfortunately, it took more than 3 days because I felt sick 2 weeks ago. And surprise, I was tested positive for COVID-19, which took me, like 2 days to believe that I really have COVID. I thought COVID just gone, but it turns out no, it's here somewhere. I think I got it because I attended the balloon fiesta, and this was huge. I mean, they say there are people from all over America and over the world to come and see and attend, balloon fiesta. So I was sick for a week. Now I don't have any COVID-19. I'm very thankful to God that none of my kids got COVID, or my husband, even though we were in contact. So I didn't expect that, I have COVID. So yeah, so now I'm fine. Maybe my voice is a little bit different, but all is fine. Let me show you the cards that I created using Hello Bluebird. So this is the first card. This is so cute, using this stamp set called Apple Picking, and when I check the website, this box is still available. So if you want to, buy the stamp, you can buy the box. So this is the first card. Then the second card, I used the die cut, not the die cuts. I'm not sure if it's here or not. The pumpkin die. And two of these cute squirrels. Yeah, this is squirrels. So cute. The third card, this one, so cute. So I used the bear, the mama bear from this set, and the boy and the girl from this set. This set called Apple Farm. Cute. The paper pad that I use for all my cards is this one called Sweet Harvest. This one from Michael. I think from Michael's, I believe. It has a very beautiful, I think non-traditional fall colors with lots of pink and gold. Then next, another card. Using again the girl and the squirrel, and this die, again this is a slim line die by Hello Bluebird. Bird. Maybe I can insert a photo somewhere here. I have this one. This was all the leftover from all my die cuts. I just make them in a queue and I add them together. And this die, the branch die, I'm not sure what they call it, this die by Hello Bluebird, I used it for the tree. Another card. I went overboard. Again, so cute. And for the background, I used these two inks by Altenew, Peachy Keen and Very Cool. Yeah, then we have this card. So I use Happy Fall, the die that comes with the set, with the box. And again, two images, a squirrel and a fox. Last but not least, this card, again using the same slim line die. All the color, I used watercolor to color all of the images. I think I'm gonna share some shorts where I colored some of the images. I hope you like all these cards. I really had fun creating all these cards using this September box, and I am excited for, I'm not sure, November or December box. So yeah, keep eye on it. Okay, thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you next time. Bye.